Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.